Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Anthony.
Banyak persa yo drug hak jalami kelia ke sekarim di kelapli ya ke antin narkotik task force ANTF police station kebadan ha ampiro gofling dan menteri rembak ke jala ha ke singwaar kumpat pengklan ya ke jing yakun bendat tengkong drug sapok ke jala menteri rembak ke jala long bak police station kabarit andai ke jenterkam nam ta penyakun drugs kalau kum katma bakrau pat bandat tengkong katong jangan sekal lembak police station Batamai haknya kun percaya drugs bawa ke celah kalong ya ke kam banyan dan matalang jeng pulit katana koi kakia katana social welfare hak ba menteri ba laban jor jeng trelang ba ki dubar senong kini lam senong kini senong ban senong ti hak tinggi kun boleh dan lang hak kata kasi kajing puli ya police station narkotik task force lai dan lang usumbut menteri ramba kajala ubah person tensong ke kong ada isya di DGP Nongrang bat ya superintendent jangka polis anti narkotik task force ujakpal sing danova kibla penting na kajing pendap ban pli ya ketik police station khaswa kesmas kadai kathang belabu dak sarkar kibel dan lang kontop ya kementeri katana pihak kong amparin lingdo katana anti F police station kantri kampung ucap pedeng haban pentrikam jin trailang ban pengal kajing kenda drak sakeleng ki jaka jong jala kan ni ka police station kadan ru ya additional SP inspector sub inspector constable kinyo ru ya kijun kam lang na katanan IT us pentenden ka polis ujakpal sing danaba ulapun pa kajing sungu ahlo kajing peli ya kan ni ka police station mulakular iki paipa pak kena jo kontrikam narik Pat yakin udah jentik beda ibu jengkan lagi dok singkurup on supply ko buat OSP ke distrik. Hak ti san senam lelai ke tanah pulit kalau ada berjas kia sudu terus pak san pulai teli. Hak jala kabelalam si jengjok kam hadu si hajar arf nyomut ki senrang ni spot life sangut ikan tai. Kalau kini saus pakan FR liki kias kidai buat dep chat sheet berarf sangut ki beliau belasap pengat hak jing ben saja ke kendon ke baik. Kati yok kul blok sa kini senam bakentop sau for point no spa sempra kilo heroin katlai hajar san spa 4 kilo ganja bat opium bat kapisa apa kendai pesan parfui aspa sau
Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home, Shri Preston Tinsong, my colleague and Minister in charge Social Welfare, Paul Lingdo, our Honorable Health Minister, Kong Amperine, our Additional Chief Secretary, Dr. Shakil, Kong Ida, our DGP, all the other officials who are present on the dais and off the dais, all my dear friends who are here to be part of this very special program of the inauguration of the Anti-Narcotics Task Force Police Station. At the very outset, I would like to sincerely apologize for this slight delay. As you're aware, I traveled all the way from Mumbai this morning. There was a slight delay in the flight. Nonetheless, I'm very thankful to all of you for having patiently waited. As mentioned by Shri D.P. Marak, today, in fact, is a very, very important and a red letter day for the police department and for the state government also as a whole. This particular police station may look very simple, may look very small for now, but the impact that this will have on the overall situation and the fight or the war against drugs that we are having is going to be huge. I must at this point in time, congratulate our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, under whose leadership all of this has materialized, our DGP, Kong Ida, who has taken a lot of effort to ensure that this particular police station was completed on time, and the SP in charge, Sri Jakpal, for having taken the initiative to ensure that we were able to inaugurate this particular office, this particular police station before Christmas within this calendar year, which is what the target of the government was. Friends, as you're aware, the entire war and fight against drugs is something that we all are very, very concerned about. The kind of impact in society, especially the youth of our state, is having because of drugs and the usage of drugs is something that is very, very damaging for the society and especially the youth. And therefore, in the last many years, Government of Meghalaya at different levels through different departments has taken a number of steps to ensure that we are able to look at all aspects from the supply to the distribution to the health concerns to the social aspect to rehabilitation and overall counseling for drug addicts also. Realizing that the fight against drugs is not just a single department's work, but a multiple departmental integrated collaboration or effort is required. And therefore, you'll be very happy to know that all the departments are working very closely. We have our Honorable Social Minister here, Social Welfare Minister here, our Honorable Health Minister here, the Home Minister, and obviously there is a purpose and a reason why the three departments are present while we're opening or inaugurating this police station, because all these departments have a very, very important role to play. This particular police station, as mentioned earlier, maybe all the details were not given, but this will function as a hub and the main center point from which coordination and monitoring will take place from the police side. Apart from the SP in charge, there will be additional SP, there will be inspectors, sub-inspectors, constables, all the logistical support will be given to them, all the different IT support that is required will be given to them, and the coordination between this police station as well as the different departments will also happen from here. And this, as I said, is a very, very important part of the fight against drugs, because this is where we will actually be able to hit the supply as well as the distribution network that is there, which is very, very crucial for us to ensure that we are able to win this particular war against drugs. As mentioned, apart from the police and apart from what this police station will do and the anti-narcotics task force will do, the social welfare and the health department also are revamping and relooking into the different strategies that are required from the health area, health concerns that are there, also from the social welfare side, where we are ensuring that the community is involved, the different villages are involved, and localities are involved, so that we can have rehabilitation programs at the grassroots level, awareness programs at the grassroots level. And as mentioned, this cannot be done by just the government alone. We need to fight together. We need to work together. It is not just the government, not just the police, but the society as a whole has to do it. So therefore, this is